Here at Self-Traits, we capture, create, and archive quality timeless digital assets. Our main product, our signature product, is the Self-Trait. It's essentially a 3D printed lifelike figurine. So we do get the odd person a little creeped out. I mean, it is a little uncanny to see yourself shrunken down to a miniature size, so lifelike. But I mean, people are absolutely blown away when they see their models. They are amazed with the ideas and quality that we can output from our scans. Every Self-Trait begins with an idea. The customer either comes in looking for a cake topper, a wedding gift. So it's really up to them what the process and pipeline is. But what we do is we book in a session. They come in dressed, looking how they want to be captured. From them, we take a number of shots and poses of them, each consisting of over 128 images. Those images are then stitched together digitally, sent over to our digital sculptors who clean up any imperfections, any occlusions in the data. And then that data is sent over to our 3D printers and our production team who meticulously puts in detail and print time into the scans, then has a finishing process and technique around that, and that's the finish output for the Self-Trait. Each Self-Trait that we scan, it's really more to us than just a photo or data. Each customer comes in trying to capture a moment, a memory, right? So those keepsakes are going to be passed on for generation and generation, and we like to believe that it's another form of art and a different medium in that sake. I think there's a ton of value that we offer to our clients, and the attendees will absolutely have a huge takeaway. I mean, the experience that we offer on the Self-Traits end, also the knowledge throughout our studio, we hope to provide value to each of those attendees joining us. I mean, a lot of these people hopefully will be impacting products and services of the future. So we hope to provide them with knowledge that someday maybe will impact their decision on a manufacturing process, on an end product or a result of that. My name is Joe Keys, and we're here at Self-Trait showcasing some of the latest and greatest in 3D printing and scanning technology. We look forward to having you at our Trend Safari this year during Future Festival 2018.